If you're stuck wondering where to start online, the Digital Wealth Ladder gives you a clear path: learn a skill, build a system, and earn on autopilot. In this video, I'll walk you through each stage so you can start climbing today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step digital income strategies. Let's get started. 1. Start with learning free skills. Choose one digital skill: copywriting, SEO, editing, coding, or design. Focus on free online resources like YouTube, blogs, and open course platforms. Dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily to build your knowledge and consistency over time. Practice what you learn by doing mock projects or helping others for feedback. Start small. Write emails, build landing pages, or edit short videos for practice. You don't need a course to begin. Discipline and action beat buying info products. Use Reddit, Twitter, and Discord groups to stay updated and ask beginner questions. Create small goals like one blog, one video, or one portfolio piece per week. Track your time to avoid wasting hours learning without implementation. 2. Build publicly to gain proof. Document your progress online. Post your work, wins, and what you're learning daily. Share tutorials, results, or case studies even if you're not an expert yet. Build in public to attract feedback, clients, and collaborators who notice effort. Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium are great platforms to share your journey clearly. Even short posts build momentum and prove you're actively leveling up consistently. People trust action more than claims. Showing beats telling in the digital world. Your content becomes your portfolio and shows your transformation over time. You don't need followers, just evidence of consistency and problem-solving skill. 3. Freelance to earn first dollars. Use your new skill to offer freelance services through DMs, Upwork, or cold emails. Start with smaller gigs to get reviews, testimonials, and refine your process flow. Charge low at first. Focus on speed and quality to build your name and system. Build systems for outreach. Pitch daily, track responses, follow up consistently. Focus on one niche, e.g., gym owners, coaches, to offer relevant, clear solutions. Don't aim for perfection, just deliver what you promise, on time, with clarity. Every client is training for higher value deals, so treat it like paid education. Ask for referrals, reviews, and feedback to improve offers and copy faster. Document client success stories to use as social proof and credibility later. 4. Productize your services. Turn your service into a repeatable offer, system, or package for easier scaling. Instead of doing everything, offer a specific outcome like one landing page per week. Use templates, SOPs, and checklists to reduce decision fatigue and improve speed. Clear deliverables help you charge more and work less while delivering consistency. A productized offer turns freelance chaos into a business model with systems. This step moves you from operator to business owner with time and client control. Clients want simplicity. Packaged services outperform hourly pricing every time. List your offer on Gumroad or your own site for easy payment and clarity. Add bonuses, FAQs, and turnaround times to reduce objections and pre-sell. 5. Build digital assets. Start creating assets that earn without you working each hour. Build once, sell forever. This includes ebooks, templates, guides, courses, swipe files, or premium tools. Use what you've already done in freelance or services to build helpful resources. Digital products need upfront effort but pay off through automation and scale. Create a Notion template, Canva pack, or ebook based on your niche experience. Host your asset on Gumroad, Payhip, or your own landing page with simple checkout. Assets build wealth by separating income from time, unlike services or freelancing. If you can help one person with your file, you can help 1,000 with the same version. Promote on platforms where your niche hangs out: Reddit, Facebook, or Twitter. 6. Create content to scale. Reach. Content multiplies visibility. Start posting educational, entertaining, or useful pieces. Teach what you learn, share behind the scenes, and answer your audience's questions. Focus on one platform: YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram for consistent posting. Use video, carousel, or threads, whichever fits your style and niche the best. The goal is to attract attention, not followers. Signal value, not vanity. Content creates trust, traffic, and opportunities for clients, sales, and partnerships. Every viral post or useful thread lives forever and builds your authority long-term. Make content from your wins. How I helped X do Y is magnetic and builds proof. Repurpose old content into new formats to save time and reach broader audiences. 7. Start an email list. Social platforms rent your audience. Email lists give ownership and direct contact. Use a free tool like ConvertKit or Beehive to collect emails with a simple form. Offer a lead magnet template, checklist, or mini course in exchange for signups. Email builds deeper trust than posts. It feels personal and creates real connections. Send weekly value-packed newsletters with tips, stories, and tools for your niche. Segment your list to serve different needs and sell relevant products over time. You own the traffic and can reach readers whenever without relying on algorithms. Email boosts your launch results, affiliate sales, and lifetime product value. Treat subscribers with respect. No spam, only value, stories, and solutions. 8. Launch affiliate offers. Recommend products you trust and use tools, courses, or services through affiliate links. Use your content and list to explain how it helps and who it's best suited for clearly. Track clicks, conversions, and earnings to optimize placement and content type. Write tutorials, reviews, and case studies to give your audience real use case value. Affiliate income is scalable. You earn from every click without handling fulfillment. Embed affiliate links in your videos, blogs, carousels, or email series with context. Honest recommendations perform better than hype. Trust builds recurring commissions. Over time, affiliate earnings become a silent income stream from past content. This model works especially well with faceless or automated systems long-term. Track affiliate dashboards weekly to understand trends and performance metrics. Affiliate marketing is digital leverage. It scales without customer service or delivery. 9. Monetize with digital courses. Package your expertise into an online course, even a short one for your niche. Start with a minimum viable product. 3 modules, simple format, clear outcomes. Record video lessons using Loom or your webcam. Keep things clear and actionable. Host your course on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia for simple access. Use testimonials from clients or Twitter proof to validate your knowledge base. Courses allow you to teach many people what you'd charge one client for privately. Launch with urgency and bonuses to increase conversions and drive momentum. Keep pricing fair. Starter courses $27 to $97, premium ones $197 plus depending on value. Courses create community and open the door to coaching, workshops, or new products. Every lesson builds long-term digital leverage and deeper brand authority. Courses are trust monetized at scale. They turn knowledge into high-ticket assets. Teach once, sell forever. Courses are a key step on the digital wealth ladder. 10. Build automation systems. Automate your business using tools like Zapier, Airtable, ChatGPT, and autoresponders. Use automation to reply, follow up, onboard clients, send products, and track leads. Systemize everything: emails, file delivery, content posting, and client handoffs. Automation removes repetitive tasks, saving you hours and preventing burnout. Use Notion dashboards to track revenue, outreach, and content schedule in one view. Batch tasks weekly. Write all content in one day, record videos in another window. Tools help scale solo efforts and maintain momentum without hiring a full team. Create SOPs for anything you repeat twice. Delegate or automate it next time. Autopilot workflows let you take breaks, travel, or start something new with ease. Wealth builds faster when energy goes toward growth, not just operations. Smart systems let you earn like a business even if you're still a one-person team. Automation is the final step. Scale with less stress, more time, and greater income. The digital wealth ladder isn't a secret, it's a process. Learn, build, earn, and repeat. Which step are you on right now? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more proven systems, income blueprints, and real-world strategies that help you grow online. Stay tuned for more ways to scale your digital success.